The boy ate his lunch after he won the match. Lunch, match. Both makes the ch sound at the end. So will I write M-A-C-H and L-U-N-C-H for both? No. Hi, I am Tanvi from Young Roots. We are doing our rule series. Today I am going to teach you TCH and CH. Ch, ch. Both makes the same sound. Which one to use when? Yes, I will help you with that. So first one, TCH. Very simple. Use it after a short vowel. Catch. K-A-Ch. Catch. That time we'll write C-A-T-C-H. Catch. Pitch. P-I-Ch. Pitch. P-I-T-C-H. Pitch. Now comes CH. When do we use CH? CH can be used after three basic rules. First one, after a consonant, a simple consonant like lunch, L-A-N-C-H, lunch. Second one, you can use after a vowel team or after a digraph. So for example, speech, S-P-E-Ch, speech. So your double E is the ch. So you write speech, S-P-E-E-C-H. So your double E is a vowel team or a digraph. The last one is R controller words. That's for example, arch. So it's A-R-C-H. A-R-C-H. That time you can use the ch sound. Correct. Now once you've introduced this topic to the kids, it's very necessary you do an activity with them. So I will show you which activity you can do which will enforce this particular topic into their mind. Before you start the activity, revise again. When do we use TCH? When there is a short vowel before it. And when you use ch, that is CH, when there is a consonant, there is an R controller word or there is a vowel team, that time you will use CH. Okay? Come, I will show you an activity on this. Activity for TCH and CH. Now give them these words and ask the kid to fill in the blanks with the correct ch sound. So the first one. First of all, you have to mark the word immediately before the ch sound. So for example, L-N. This is a consonant. So what will come in? CH. Correct. Lunch. Correct. Next one. St-ich. Stitch. This is a short vowel sound which is I. Which will, after that you will write TCH. Correct. Next one. Dash. Op. Ch-op. Chop. Ch-chop. Next one. N-o-ch. Notch. N-o. What is this o? It's a short vowel sound. What will you write? TCH or CH? Correct. TCH because it's a short vowel sound. N-och. Notch. Then next one. K-ach. Catch. K-ach. Catch. B-e-n-ch. Bench. This is a consonant. What will you write? It's a consonant. Write CH. B-e-n-ch. Bench. Next one. K-o-ch. Coach. This OA is a vowel team. So you will write ch. Coach. Correct. So this is how you enforce the topic again with this small activity. You can also give few sentences for reading. Come, I will show you which sentence you can start with. The first one. The coach. Did you see which we have used? The coach gave a great speech. So my dear kids, did you see the ch sound over here? After a vowel T. That is why they have used ch. Speech. Again there is a vowel T, E. And that is why they have used CH. Speech. Next one. We try to catch the ball. Did you see? Did you notice the ch sound over here? Why did they use TCH and not the CH one? Because it has a short vowel sound A. So catch. That is why we have used the TCH one over here. So like this you make them read and reinforce the particular word of ch over here so that they remember when to use TCH and CH. Do these activities and these words to them so that they get lot of practice and the topic is enforced in their mind. If you want more such sentences and more such words, drop a comment in my comment section. I will give you a PDF for that. There are some exceptions also to this rule. Some words really do not follow the rules. They want to break the rules. So here are the few words which they break the rules. For example, attach, much. Can you see ch sound over here? It should be ideally ch, ch, but they are breaking the rule. Much. Sandwich. It's I. It's but still it is ch. Which, rich, detach, spinach, enrich, such. So English language is very funny. There would be some exceptions which you have to introduce to your kids after some point when they are very sure that these words are clear. Then you can show these exceptions words to them. Keep watching our next video for the next rule which we are coming up. Bye.